Okay, so what we're doing today is crazy. I've never done this before, but when I bought my new 33's, the guy at Four Wheel Parts, he's like, oh, you should get some rims for your old tires and have an extra set of tires. And I thought that was a really good idea, so I did that, and I did really well. I found a set of Jeep wheels off of a 2020 Wrangler. The guy said he had about 500 miles on them. They look brand new. Got these for $100 on Craigslist for all 5. And here are my old tires. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I probably got another year and a half of wear on these that I can use for around town. And I already mounted one. I wanted to see how hard it would be. And it's really not that bad. There's already weights in there, so I'm hoping that they're somewhat balanced. I'm just going to use them for around town and save these for off-roading. And what I did notice with going from the stock 31s to the 33s, before I was getting about 19 miles to the gallon on the highway, sometimes 19.3. If it was hilly, I'd get 18 and a half. On the way back this weekend from Kentucky, I was getting 14 miles to the gallon, and it was hilly. So I'm looking 4 to 5 miles per gallon difference, which is about 65 miles for a tank of gas, and that's a lot. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to mount the tires to your rims, and hopefully I can do this in one take really quick. There is a little bit of a learning curve, and I figured out what I was doing wrong by watching another YouTube video, and then once I did the way he did it, it just slipped right on. So let's see how we do. Okay. And these do not have wheel speed sensors, which I went to go get some over at Mopar at the Dodge dealership, and they wanted almost $500 for the wheel speed sensors. So I decided that I wouldn't get them, and I'll just have the light on my dash. So it's fine with me. Now this is the white side of the lettering, so I'm going to put that on the inside. And this is just soapy water or Windex is what you use. So this one, you just kind of force it on there. Like that. And then I'm going to spray this. Camper really is a big help here. Sometimes he tries to lay right where I'm working. These are just tire irons I use on my motorcycle. And there you go. These didn't have the valve stems, so I went and bought some valve stems. I'm just taking the insert out. There it goes. There it goes. Gotta listen for the pop. So when I went to have the old tires mounted to the new rims, I went to Tire Discounter, and they wouldn't do it, said I had to buy the wheels from them because they were worried they would break whatever I had, which is totally bull. And then I went to Firestone, and they told me I had to buy the tires from them or they wouldn't do it. So I just have to say is I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars and an RV with 6 tires, and both of those places have lost my business because they're trying to make an extra buck when they should just provide good customer service, in my opinion. So I'll find another place to buy tires. Yeah, that's what I got to say about that. Stupid.